Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about online free tools. And in this video, I will show you how to lock your PDF with password or for free. Let me show you how. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your browser. After you open up your browser, then make sure you come to this particular website right here, pdf2go.com. Then it's going to land you to the official web page right here. So what you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and choose the template right here. So as for me, I'm going to show you how to lock your PDF with password. So go ahead and select these options right here. You can see protect PDF password. So click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. So here you can drag and drop your PDF file right here. So for that, go ahead and click on choose file right here. The next thing you want to do is to locate where you have your file. So I have my file right here. So I'm going to use this particular file. Then go ahead and hit on upload. So after a successful add file to the site, next thing you want to do here is to scroll down right here, and then what you want to do here is to go ahead and enter password to open. So make sure it's a kind of password you can always remember. Then repeat password to open right here. The same password needs to be repeated right here. Then scroll down right here and then come down below right here. Come down below right here, go ahead and click on start. Just like so, your file is ready for download. And for that, you can easily come to the top right here. You can download as zip folder, you can upload to Dropbox, you can upload to Google Drive or OneDrive. So however, I'm going to go ahead and click on here just for me to download the PDF file. And this is going to pump up right here. So I'm going to rename this, and I'm going to call it password lock. Then I'm going to select my download folder right here, my desktop. So I'm going to save the file back into this folder. Then you can see the one with no password, and this is the one with password. I'll click on save right here. Now successfully saved. So now let's open the PDF right here, and you can see password required. So if I enter the password now and hit on submit, the file will now open. So if I close the file again, and I decide to come back to the download options, I click on the file again here, it's going to automatically require password to have access. It's that simple. So this is how to lock your PDF file with password without any stress. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.